Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AOS scroll animations and reset UI states. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall AOS scroll animations, begin by opening your project directory. Locate the package.json file in the root of your project. Open package.json using a code editor of your choice. Find the dependencies section within the file. Look for the entry labeled AOS. Delete the entire line containing AOS from the dependencies list. Save the changes made to package.json. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to your project directory using the command line. Run the command npm uninstall AOS. This will remove the AOS package from your project. After uninstalling, it's time to reset the UI states. First, locate your main JavaScript file, often named index.js or app.js. Open this file in your code editor. Remove any import statement related to AOS at the top of the file. Look for any initialization code for AOS, such as AOS.init. Delete the AOS initialization code from your file. Now, search your project's components for leftover AOS classes used in HTML elements. These classes often start with data AOS. Remove all instances of these classes from your HTML files. Next, check your CSS files for AOS styles. Identify any custom styles related to AOS animations. Remove these styles to complete the uninstallation process. With AOS removed, consider resetting the UI states. This might involve re-evaluating any dynamic states influenced by AOS. Test your application to ensure everything functions smoothly without AOS animations. Finally, review your project thoroughly for any remaining AOS references. Your project should now be free of AOS scroll animations and reset to its original UI states. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.